Today, we're going to run you through the three main styles of off-grid power setup so you can decide which is right for your needs. Option 1 is a lithium power station, and as you can see, they come in a lot of different shapes and sizes. These are great because they're an all-in-one solution with your battery, inverter, DC-DC charger, AC charger, solar regulator and battery monitor, and your outputs all in the one device. Option number 2, if you're looking for a little bit more flexibility, is one of these battery boxes where you can actually add your very own battery. These give you a range of outputs on the front here, including some Andersons around the back to run some more custom DIY appliances, even inverters. And this particular one also comes with a 40 amp DC-DC charger and solar regulator. This range also comes with a 25 amp DC-DC charger, or just as a battery box so you can add your own charging solution. And finally, we have a full DIY installation like I have in my canopy setup right here. Now, I chose this for a few reasons. It really gives me the most amount of flexibility when it came to my setup. I can install my lights on my canopy door just here, my fridge over the other side in the kitchen, and all my outlets wherever I need them. So in my setup, I've got two big 300 amp hour iTechworld batteries in the center of my canopy just there, a 2000 watt inverter to run all those camping luxuries like induction cookers or even my coffee machine for morning coffees. And at the top here, I've got the heart of the operation, my big control hub with that built-in 40 amp DC-DC charger, and the fuse box, a bunch of outlets, and all my switches. So whether you're after a fully portable solution to take your power wherever you need, whether you're after the option to add your very own battery to a battery box like this, or you're after a more permanent full DIY installation like I have in the canopy right here, the iTechworld team has you covered. And if you need any advice on which system is right for your needs, get in touch with the iTechworld team and they'd be happy to help you.